Hey guys, it's a 2017 Jaguar F-Pace R-Sport, all-wheel drive, 3.0 supercharged motor on it. It's got the 22-inch turbine wheels. It's got the blacked out package, so all the chromes are all blacked out. Dual exhaust. Illuminated kick plates. If you don't see, all those lines are illuminated. Really cool leather seats. Looks like the front, these seats recline a little bit. Has rear heated seats, quad climate control, panoramic sunroof. It's got the Meridian sound system. Start it up here for you. So 35,000 miles on it. Heated steering wheel. It's got heated and air conditioned seats. Just rear heated seats. It's got navigation. Backup camera. Sunshade. Here's all your drive controls. Performance Eco. This is the R-Sport package. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.